So I just completed my my mini flip book. I only used a couple of pages, however, and it still worked out. So basically what I did is that I did shapes, and I did all of them collecting, and then it starts raining. And then, what is that? And then it starts raining some more, and then they run inside. And then it starts lightning, and the end. I did it very simple, so I did like these bunches of shapes that are just hanging out outside having a good time. And the idea is that if you flip through it really fast, it'll tell you a really fun story. So you can make it as thick as you like, or as long as you like, or as like short as you like this one. Whatever you want to do, whatever colors you want to use, it'll make a cute little flip book that you can share with your friends and your family. So as you can tell, it's super cute. Like I said, I did some shapes hanging out, and then it starts raining, and then they run inside, and then the end. So it's very simple. So I hope you liked the craft today, and please join me next month as I review another graphic novel for you and have another fun craft for you to do at home. So yes, make sure to check that out next month, and then for sure check out the book that I recommended today called Stargazing. It's super good and I love it. I'm gonna return it today so that way you guys can check it out, and you can check this out, this book, this graphic novel, and others through our drive-through that is available to you pretty much every day. So make sure to do that, and I hope you enjoy it. Thank you.